My name is Justin Hughes. I am currently the Area Vice President for Southeast at Siplast. My journey within Siplast has been interesting. While I've been with it 19 years, it actually started in research and development, kind of a diverse background, and I think it's really helped me along the way. What was so impactful about the way Siplast went about it was once they hired me, they challenged me, over and over again. I never had to go through this process of saying, hey, here's what I want to do next. Quite frankly, I've never looked at Siplast as a job. I've always looked at it as my career. I have no intentions of being anywhere else. But what I'm most proud of is watching Siplast kind of evolve over time. And we've kind of done what was best for both the company and our customers, right? So we've listened. We do a phenomenal job of listening to the customer. Not that it's a secret to anybody, but I think the takeaway from Siplast is that we're so customer based, so driven by our customers' needs. That's really an aspect that I would want anybody to understand about Siplast is that the customer is always at the focus of everything that we do.